Hey friends, welcome back. If you have Ricoh Aficio MP C2051 machine in your shop, office, or at your home, and you are facing the problem, service call, functional problem has occurred, please call service and report the service code SC542. Then watch this video and enter just a code and resolve your problem. Follow this tip. Click this yellow button and enter the code 107. Then press the C red button. After that, you can find these options. Click on scanner and on the right top corner, click on exit. Once again on exit. Then power up your machine with button. Now you have to wait here, shutting down your machine. When your machine turn off, then turn on it again with the power button. Here you can see, please wait till your machine is start. Now you can see your problem has fixed and there is no error message or error code. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Moreover, turn on the bell icon that receive such like informative and helpful videos.